do a little Chanel unboxing. Yellow Chanel. Okay, this is a triple Chanel bag unboxing. If you watch my first one, I was talking about the beauty and stuff like that. These are the bags that I got. Story time really quick. So I went to Chanel. I didn't have any intention of buying anything at Chanel this year at this trip to Paris because I bought a lot from them, and also the prices keep going up. The quality doesn't always go down, although I haven't had any quality issues. I've seen a lot of people with quality issues. I also saw this other girl's TikTok where she talked about how she worked at Chanel corporate and she would get bags for 200 euros or 200 pounds a bag, and that they were made in factories, blah, blah, blah. So whatever. I wasn't gonna get it. My SA texted me with 2 bags that I've wanted for a very long time and that are hard to get, impossible to get, blah, blah, blah. So I was like, I have to just at least go and see them. And she was holding it for me for 2 days, which she's not allowed to hold it for more than 2 days. And everyone else in the store was asking about it when we were looking at it. And everyone else in the store wanted it. Like, it seemed like her essays were, but I also seemed like they do this every time. So I don't know if this is a little trick that they do to get you to buy the bag, is have their fellow essays like come and approach, because it's happened every time I've gotten a bag from there that's like limited. Again, these are from Chanel, from 31 Rue Cambon, which is the only store in the world where you get white bags. The first Chanel store, I believe, white bags and white boxes. And then this one, the third one, is actually something I got from my friend who's getting it for his girlfriend. So he asked me to buy a bag for her in Paris. So I'm just gonna really quickly show you this one, but I'm not gonna really unbox it because it's for them. Well, I guess I am gonna unbox it, but I'll put it back together because I'm a pro at unboxing at this point because I refilmed these. Okay, so he wanted to get her something. It's really, really cute. This is her first Chanel bag, her first designer bag. He really wanted to get her something nice, and we're on a group text, me, him, and her friends. It's because it's a surprise for her birthday, and he wanted to get her something nice. If he didn't know what to get her, so I was like, I will find you something. She loves pink. She loves Barbie colors. She loves pink. She's a girly girl, and I was like, let's get something classic, but wearable every day, day to night, can have durability. So I was like, we gotta get caviar leather. Well, we narrowed it down to Chanel first. Caviar leather, pink. I said wallet on chain because it's not too pricey, very versatile, can fit most of your essentials without being too big of a bag. And you can do the chain in a billion different ways. You can wear it as a clutch, you can wear it as a crossbody, you can wear it shoulder, you can wear it shoulder, you can wear it there's like 13 different ways you can wear this bag. Although this strap is not the same as the normal wallet on chain strap, so you can't really do that many ways with this, but they really like the strap because it had a little O detail right here. It had 2 settings for 2 different lengths, crossbody or short crossbody or shoulder. And the O, you really wanted to get something with an O. We were thinking about getting an O necklace for her because her name is but her name starts with an O, so then I got an O necklace. And so there's an O there and then a little CC here. And caviar, but we didn't want the plain classic one. We wanted the turn lock one. So it's like kind of the perfect mix of both. So I'm just gonna slightly show it to you guys because I don't really wanna unbox it. Actually, it's fine, I'll unbox it because you know what? I can put it right back together. So, it is a classic wallet on chain CC Chanel with the turn lock. And like I said, it's caviar, so it's a little more durable. And then it's got the quilting pattern on here, which is really nice, actually. Everything else is the same, back pocket, zip pockets inside. Then this is the cool part, which it's got these 2 settings. So you can lock it in here at the CC and wear it really long, or you can lock it in here, but then that's the O. So when you wear it, the O is right here, like, right? And it's baby pink and it's beautiful. And don't worry if you're watching, Kay. I will pack this back together and you'll give it to you and you'll never even notice this.